Good morning. Amanya, good morning. Chetan, good morning. Yes. Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class, we were discussing the chapter linear equations in two variables, right? And we are in the last part of this chapter, that is the graphical representation of the equations. Particularly, now we are going to focus on some of the statements which are to be converted into equations. Then we will go for drawing the graph with respect to that equation. Before that, just we shall recall some important points which we learned in this chapter. The very beginning, the definition and general form. Definition of linear equations in two variables is an equation of degree 1 with two variables. Then, Shreya, what is the general form?
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is also not.
Very good. Yes. The general form or standard form of the equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Next, in the next part, we took some equations and we wrote them in the general form. After writing, we found out the values of A, B, and C. One simple question. A simple question is, it is 3x is equal to minus 7 plus 4y. Sai Gaurav, tell that is general form, or how to write this in standard form or general form of linear equations in two variables.
Plus 3x minus 4y plus.
Very good. 3x transfer minus 7 plus 4y to the left hand side. Minus 7 becomes plus 7, 4y becomes
minus 4y.
which is equal to 0. So now it is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is 3, b is minus 4, and c is
7.
after that,
Minus
we
of
come across another important concept. Could you tell, in general, how many solutions does a linear equation have?
Infinity.
One.
So 1 to 1.
one.
In general, it is 1. But if it is a linear equation in two variables, how many solutions
Infinite.
does it have?
Infinite.
Infinite. Many uncountable number of solutions are there with respect to linear equations in two variables. If it is a linear equation in one variable, how many solutions? 1. If two variables, infinitely many solutions. And we learn how to find out the required number of solutions with respect to the given equation, right? If the equation is like this only, that is 3x minus 4y plus 7, we learned how to find out any 2 solutions or any 4 solutions, any 6 solutions. To find out the solutions, we will go for choosing the values for x. Then we will find out value of y like this. Is it not? Manya Chejain, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good girl. Next, after that, then we converted some of the statements into equations. One simple equation to be formed by yourself on the statement what I'm going to give. The cost of a bat and a ball is 100 rupees.
X plus y is equals to
X plus y is equal to 100.
X plus y is equals to 100.
Cost of one bat, it is rupees x. Cost of one ball, rupees y.
Y.
Together it is 100. can be written as x plus y equal to 100. Cost of 2 bats and 5 balls. Cost of 2
2x
bats and 5
2x
balls.
plus 5y
2x plus 5y.
2x plus 5y is equals to 100.
5y equal to x.
All right, amount, I think it has been decided by yourself only. Hmm? Yes. What you said, it is correct only on the left hand side. Right hand side, I'll give. It is 780 rupees.
2x
plus
plus
5y
5y
equal to 507
Equal to 780. Got it? Then after that, we have drawn the graph for some of the equations, right? Could you tell what is the nature of graph of linear equations in two variables?
A straight line, sir.
A straight line, sir.
All the time we'll get a straight line. And by drawing the graph, we have come to know some of the important points. Like, see that. It is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Assume that we have drawn the graph of the equation. Is it possible to get a line like this? Yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, which geometrical figure is formed by
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Right
Triangle.
Angle.
I have
Right
an
angle
triangle.
which geometrical figure is obtained by the graph of the given equation with x and y axis?
Triangle.
Right
Triangle.
angle.
Right angle triangle.
Right angle to triangle.
Right angle. Right angle triangle.
Sir.
Enough. Right angle triangle. Could you tell at what point on the x-axis the
Oh.
graph of the given equation
-3.
-3.
Minus 3.
-3.
-3.
-4, -0.
-3, -0.
Minus 3,
-3,
-1, -2, -3. Ada yaudu idu it is -3, -0. Dhanush, yourself for it. This the graph of this equation has intersected y-axis as well. At what point? Very good. It is 0, 2. Right? Please sit down. Could you tell what is the base of the triangle?
3 units.
3 units.
Units, sir.
3 units.
How many units?
-3 units.
Perpendicular, nothing but altitude, nothing but height.
2 units.
2 units. 2 units.
So, Shreya D, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Could you tell the area of this triangle?
3 units.
3 units.
I give a chance to Shreya. Shreya, tell the formula to find out area of triangle. Half into base into
Half into
height.
base into height.
Wait. She will tell half into Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Yourself only should tell. How much is the base of this triangle?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the student, listen carefully. Who are not getting a clarity video, clear video, please leave the meeting and rejoin. Arushi, do one thing. Please switch off and switch on your mobile. Then rejoin again. It won't be comes again. Do it fast. And everyone, those students who are not getting clarity of the video, please leave the meeting and rejoin. Once before joining the meeting, everyone, before joining the meeting, please switch on and switch off your mobile. Then join the meeting. Sir, continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Shreya D, what is the base of the triangle?
Sir,
3 unit.
3 units.
3 units. And what about the RT cube?
2 units.
2 units. Simplify this and tell. Only Shreya will tell. Only Shreya. Agade. Look at them.
Sir,
Sarthak.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
2 and 2 get cancelled.
yes.
3 units.
Yeah, 3 units now.
3 square units.
Very good.
Square unit.
3 square units. Why it is square units? Sarthak Hardy.
because area is counted.
Because area is counted.
Sir,
We all
area
know
is
that
measured
the
by square
standard unit
units.
of area is square units.
Square meter.
That is SI unit. Just standard unit is, it is square unit. If it is volume,
Cubic units.
Cubic units.
cubic unit. If it is just length,
Units.
Units.
unit. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even we discussed about this. Next, after that,
Sir,
we have also, yes, Kirtan, what do you want
sir,
to ask?
we can consider 2 units as also base and 3 units as height. also.
Definitely. No problem at all. If you consider this as the base, this will be the height. Then you consider the triangle, weaving of the triangle from this side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Just observe, yeah. What do you call this horizontal line with respect to Cartesian plane?
X-axis.
X-axis.
Axis.
Samarth MV. Samarth
Yes, sir.
MV.
Yes, sir.
I expect a charming face. Huh? I'm not finding such charming in your face. Can you hear me, Samarth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you only tell. What do you call this vertical line with respect to Cartesian plane?
Y-axis.
Y-axis.
I expect answer only from Samarth.
Y-axis.
It is y-axis. Now I'm drawing the graph of the equation. This is the graph of one equation. I do not know that equation. Could you tell what may be the general form of that equation?
Ax plus b equal to 0.
X plus by plus c is equal to 0.
I'm asking you the equation.
Ax plus b is
X plus
Linear
b plus
equation.
b equal to 0.
Ax plus b.
Right.
Plus c is equals to y.
X plus-
Y is equals to ax plus c.
Enough.
By is equals to ax plus c.
Stop your response. Here, Namit is going to tell. Y equal to 11. I'm not given the number, but the concept what you understood, it is correct. Generally, it can be written as y equal to k into x. K may be any constant. It may be 11, 10, 5, 6.
K may be any variable, sir.
Got it?
Sir,
All
K
right.
may be any variable.
No. K is any number. If you take positive number, it will be positive x. Like if it is 2, it is 2x. If it is 3, it is 3x. If it is minus 2, minus 2x. Like this. Understood? Okay. Generally, it is y equal to k into x. Similarly, even if I draw the graph of an equation like this, even this is also y equal to constant into x. But with respect to these two, one will be having the negative value for k. I'll explain that later. In general, the graph of y equal to constant into x will pass through
Origin.
Origin. 0, 0.
The graph of y equal to constant into x always passes through origin. Then come across this one. The graph of y equal to this constant into x passes through the quadrants.
First and third
First,
part.
First and third,
with respect to
Second and fourth.
second and fourth.
I think this much was discussed in the last class, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let's go for continuing. Please give your notebook. I think the last graph was. Huh?
Sir,
Wait.
Last
this
To
graph
is-
is
find the
from sir.
value of k, sir.
Wait, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Last question is find the value of k.
Fourth. Second and fourth quadrants.
Y equal to 3x. That was the last graph, no?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
was the
sir.
last graph.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let me continue.
sir,
Yes. Yes, please.
sir, if they ask to find area of triangle formed in this means what you have to write, sir? Yesterday's
Sir, in
worksheet.
worksheet you are given.
Wait. If it is given so, okay, suppose you'll get the graph like this. If they ask you to find out the area of the triangle with respect to x-axis, have we given only one graph?
Two graphs, sir.
Two. If two are given, it comes like this. Is it not? If you draw, you can draw two graphs for two equations. Then these two will form a triangle with respect to x-axis.
Another
Right.
triangle is also there, no,
With
sir?
respect to y-axis means this triangle. I'll make you to solve such problem as well.
If there is one line only, sir.
One line only, it is not possible to ask. If you want to ask,
Can we draw perpendicular line to x-axis?
we may ask you to find out the area of the triangle by giving you particular point. For example, if you think that it is 2,3, draw the perpendicular from 2,3 and find out the area of the triangle obtained by the graph and x-axis. Like that, we may ask. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hope that you have no more doubts. Now, shall we continue today's class? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, please get ready with the graph. All of you have brought up here? Anybody? Yes. The last one was y equal to 3x.
Fifth one, sir.
Fifth one was over.
Now sixth
Yes,
one.
sir. Now sixth one.
Sixth one, I'll write. Sixth one. Start writing with me. Draw the graph of y equal to minus 3x. Draw the graph of y equal to minus 3x. Also, Pragati V. Hegde, your concentration should be here. Also, name the quadrants through which graph of the given equation passes. Start. Yes, finished. Tell them, what is the first step?
Drawing the graph.
We have to find
Drawing a
the
table of-
coordinate
Table,
point.
sir. Table.
Yeah, yes, let's go for calculation table. Calculation table. In that table, how many columns should be there?
Three.
Three.
Three column. 4 solutions.
What is the first column?
X-axis.
X.
First column for X.
X. Third, Y and Y is equals to minus 3X.
Y, sir. Last
Second
step.
one,
Y.
for the given equation, Y equal to minus 3. Third one,
X, comma Y.
X comma Y.
ordered pair, nothing but X comma Y.
Coordinate.
Complete. Finish? Okay. Sanjita HS, choose any one value. Sanjita?
0.
0, okay. Let us take 0 in place of X. Sanjita, you want to continue.
Y is equal to
Oh,
minus 3 into 0
very good,
is equal to 0.
very good.
0, comma 0.
0, comma 0. Nice. Next.
So next, minus 3.
Ritika, can you hear me? No,
Sir, can I?
Wait. Chandana, you are. Chandana, 1. Okay. Let's continue. Chandana.
Equal to minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3.
Very good.
1 comma minus 3.
1 comma minus. Very good. Next. Niharika.
Sir, minus 1.
Choose anyone.
Sir, minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. Very good. Continue quickly.
Y is equals to minus 1 into minus 3
Minus 3 into minus 1. Yes.
is equals to
Continue.
Y is equals to 3. Minus
3.
1. Minus 1 comma 3, sir.
Yes. Minus 1 comma plus. Ritika, can you hear me?
Sir, can I?
Ritika,
Sir.
wait.
Sir, 2.
Prashant sir.
Sir,
Prashant,
minus
sir.
3.
Wait. Prashant sir.
Sir, tell me.
Ritika, she is not responding. I don't know the reason. Whether she is.
Okay, continue, sir.
Okay, right. Tanush R. Yes, take the next value.
Sir, 2.
2, okay. Continue quickly.
Y is equal to minus 3 into 2.
Very good,
Minus 6.
very good.
Sir, 2
Ritika
comma
I.
2 comma minus 6.
Ritika I. Can you hear me? Ritika I. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You are concentrating here or somewhere? Huh?
Here only, sir.
How many times Raju sir called your name? How many times Raju sir called your name?
Sorry, sir.
Not sorry. Don't ask me sorry. Sir, Raju sir, please continue, sir. Continue with Ritika.
Okay. Ritika, actually I was giving you the chance, but your concentration was not here. Please don't do that. let your complete concentration be only on our explanation. Okay. Okay. Dear students, we have found out 4 coordinates of 4 points, and you may name these points as
X, Y, Z.
PQR. Okay, let's name it. P, this is Q, this is R, and 4th point is yes. Next, use the Cartesian plane. Draw X and Y axis. Here I am drawing. In your graph sheet, draw the horizontal line, which is called x-axis, and the vertical line, it is called y-axis. Next, name the x-axis as x, O, x dash, and y-axis as y, O, y dash. Then just go on marking the point for every unit distance. In the graph sheet they have given the points of intersection. There you can mark and write the numbers. Right side of 0 are positive. It is positive 1. This is positive 2. This is positive 3. And is positive 4. Left side of 0 are negative. For unit distance, write negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Above 0 are positive. Go on writing with me. It is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, and positive 6. Below 0 are negative. Siddhesh, are you writing? Here I am marking. It is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Well, you can take up to negative 7. Now let us go for marking the points. First, P. Coordinates of P is
0, 0, 0.
On 0 origin.
Origin.
This is just put dots and it's you must.
It's 4th quadrant.
Next. Second point, Q. 1, minus 3.
4th quadrant.
1 minute and give chance. So has P. In which quadrant the point Q lies?
P, sir.
Q.
Fourth quadrant.
4th quadrant. Very good. This is the 4th quadrant. 1, minus 3. 1 is on x-axis, minus 3 on y-axis. Both will intersect at this point. This is point Q. Next, R. Vibha air Athod.
Yes, sir.
R is minus 1, 3. In which quadrant? Minus 1, 3.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Minus 1 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. That point comes here. Right. This is P and this Q. This is R. And one more point is there. Yes, it is
4th quadrant.
That's
4th quadrant.
4th quadrant.
4th quadrant. 2, minus 6 plus 2 here and minus 6 on y-axis here. Both will intersect at this point. It is, yes. Now you may go for joining these points. P, Q, R, S. From
It's
R
a
and
straight line, sir.
Very good. Obviously, you get a straight line.
Sir, what is the use of drawing like this graph, sir?
We will go for using the different scales. The purpose of learning graph is we'll go for comparing the scales. You can represent kilometers in just one graph sheet. Thousands of miles can be represented in the graph. I've given you one example, that is world map. In the world map, for every 1 centimeter, we will consider 1 kilometer as 1 centimeter, like that. Have
Sir, we
you
should
got the
write
graph
scale.
like this?
Sir, we should write the scale, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Scale.
Sir.
1
Have you
centimeter
got
is
the
equal to
graph
1
like
unit.
this?
Yes, sir. Straight line.
To write the
Equation, sir.
equation is y equal
Y is
to
equals to minus 3x.
minus 3x. Y equal to minus 3. Now, at the top of right corner, write the scale. Then, right, it is x-axis. In x-axis, we have
1
taken
centimeter is equal to
every
1
1
unit.
centimeter as
1 unit.
Same thing is there even in case of y also, y-axis. Every 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. This is the graph of the given equation. But in the question, a sub-question is there. Name the quadrants through which graph of the given
Second and
equation.
fourth.
Second and
Second
fourth.
Second and fourth.
Very good.
Second and fourth. And also origin.
Quadrants. This is second quadrant. This is fourth quadrant.
Fourth.
The graph of the given equation passes through second and third quadrants. Sorry,
Fourth, sir.
Fourth, sir.
fourth. Right,
Second.
conclusion here. The
Sir,
graph,
near graph sheet we should write, sir.
yes, here only, nearby scale. Just below the scale, you write. The graph of y equal to minus 3x passes through second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Over. Mohit Abhiji, have you completed? Yes. Hubert Alon.
Finish, sir.
Hubert Alon, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tanmay,
Yes, sir.
have you finished? Okay, right, very good.
Sir,
Now stop writing. Stop writing. Now, just observe the graph of the previous one and this equation. Previous one, y equal to 3x. Now we have taken y equal to minus 3x. Here, in this equation, the graph has passed through.
Opposite.
First,
quadrant.
second and
Opposite.
Third quadrant.
first and third quadrant.
First and third quadrant.
First and third.
First and third. And y equal to minus 3x.
Second and
Second and
Second
fourth.
and
And
fourth
fourth
quadrant.
quadrant.
Dear students, anybody, first you have to tell your name, then you can tell the conclusion that can be drawn from this. Anybody would like to tell the conclusions by observing this information?
Sir, the minus sign.
I want conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Origin.
If there is
Sir,
negative
when
sign
the
in
line
the equation,
Origin.
it will be the mirror image of the positive graph of equation.
I told you, first you tell your name, I'll give you the chance, then you can tell your conclusion.
Sir, Gaurav.
Gaurav, yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can conclude that the positive graphs quadrants, the mirror image will in the negative equation of graph.
No, we are not at all discussing about the mirror image. One minute. But here it is negative. Oh, very good, very good. Wait. Dhanush, please sit. That take this. Both of them are telling that here, if the constant is positive, graph passes through first and third point. If the constant is negative, then it passes through second and fourth point. Very simple. And you can also come to know that both the graphs of both the equations are passed through origin. That means y equal to constant into x. Always passes through origin. If it is constant is positive, passes through first and third through origin. If constant is negative, passes through second and fourth
quadrant.
Through origin. Okay. It is very important note. Usually you can expect this type question in MCQ. Right. In note.
Sir, in the place of constant, any number will be there. Then also it will pass through origin only.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
It is fraction also.
Lucknow?
If it is fraction function,
maybe I tell you in general, any real number. Got it? Yes.
Sir, we should write in graph book, sir.
In graph table ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Note.
Yes, sir.
First point. The graph of y equal to constant into x ಅಥವಾ kx ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Y equal to constant into x. Always passes through origin. Next, if constant is positive, tell the quadrant. Then
First and third quadrant.
yes, then the graph passes through first and third quadrants. Next one. If constant is negative, then the graph passes through second and
Fourth quadrant.
The graph passes through second and fourth quadrants.
Note.
Ora.
sir, for this, if they ask find area, sir, for this graph.
Probably not. If two graphs are given, they'll ask.
Yes.
Sir, if they ask,
you must find out.
How to find out, sir?
I'll give you one example for that. one more point in note only. And with respect to that, now I'll go for explaining. Just observe it. It is X and Y axis. This is the graph that passes through origin. What is its general form of this equation?
Y is equal
Y equal to
K into X.
This is
Y equals kx.
both same.
Minus
kx.
Minus K.
Minus K.
Minus k.
Minus K.
Minus k, sir.
In the first equation,
K only.
minus K. First one.
This is Y equal
First
to
and third equation,
K.
kx.
Minus k.
negative, second and fourth. If it is positive,
First and third.
first and third. So here also, this is minus k, right?
Yes, sir.
Then if so, now I want
Right
to
angle
equation
triangle.
for this. Y equal to minus k. If it passes through origin, y equal to constant into x. If it intersect x and y axis, then it is y equal to mx plus c. Got it?
Sir, repeat again.
You all know
Sir,
that
what are
the general
MX?
form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If the graph of the equation intersect x axis and y axis, then the equation will be this form. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Adane now y formal baredadre, it is y equal to mx plus c. Clear?
Minus
Okay. Artha aita? Yes, students, now we are moving to another important graph. And before that, again, I want to discuss with you. Y equal to 5. Is it an equation?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes,
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But in one
It is an
variable.
equation.
One variable. In one
LHS part
variable.
and RHS part. It is an equation.
But
What
not
we
in two variable, no, sir.
One variable.
linear
but not in
equation.
two.
In one
One
variable.
variable.
Whenever I ask you the question, your response should be only for that, so that everybody feels very comfortable. It is a linear equation. How many variables? One variable.
Variable.
Linear.
It is a linear equation in one variable. Lakshmi Shri. Lakshmi Shri, can you hear
Yes,
me?
Yes, sir.
Can it be written in two variables?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, 0.x.
0 into x.
0 into x.
Y.
Y
Equal to
equals
five.
5.
Transfer that to the left hand side. Minus 1 equal to 0. Right? It is actually in one variable. We have written that in two variables. Can it also be written as y equal to 0 into x plus 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
Yes,
not in
sir.
standard form.
Because 0 into anything is 0 only. Again, you get y equal to 5 only.
Yes, sir.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
Then you can raise my question that, sir, why do you go for teaching this one?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
to convert one variable into two variables.
Yes. Dear students, we can also draw the graph for a linear equation in one variable. One variable idru kuda adike now graph na draw madbodu. But without another variable, how to
How,
find
sir?
out the coordinates?
We should
That
convert.
is why we will write like this. 0 into x. Then we'll take substitution for x and we'll find out y. Chandana, You have to discuss with me. Is it not? Good girl. Look at the book. Just observe. Here, x column. This is y equal to 0 into x plus 5 column. Third column is x comma y. If I take 0 in place of x, tell that.
Y is equal to 5 minus 5.
Equal to 5. Y
5,
equal
sir.
to 5. 0 comma 5. Wait. One minute. I'll take 1.
Y is equal to 5.
1, 5.
Plus
Five.
5.
5.
1 comma 5.
0
2, 5.
2 comma 5.
2,5.
If I take 10,
10, 5.
10, 5.
10, 5.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ x into 0 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
0.
5.
0.
No. Only 5. 5 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. For any value of x, we
Yes, sir.
will get
5 only.
X and
Any number multiplied with 0, always 0.
yes. We'll get 5 only. Now just observe. Observe. I just draw the graph. It is x-axis, x4, x dash. Sanjana, look here. It is y0, y dash. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. Your first one, 0, comma 5. 0, comma 5. Then 1, comma 5. 2, comma 5. 3, comma 5.
It is parallel to x-axis.
Very good. Very good. This
Yes,
is
sir. Parallel to x-axis, perpendicular to y-axis.
intersect with y-axis. Very good. Good boy.
Y-axis.
This is the graph of the equation y equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. One simple question. This is the graph of which equation?
Sir, y is equal to 2.
Y is equal to 2.
Y is equal to 2.
Y equal to 2. Again, one more graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಹೇಳು
Y equal to minus 3.
ನಾನು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಗತಿಗೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ. ಪ್ರಗತಿ ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳು.
Y is equal to 6.
Y is equal to
minus 6.
minus 5.
Pragati, she is a girl. Yes.
Minus 6 is equal to
Y equal to minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Y equal to minus 6. Manya Jai.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to minus 3.
Manya Jai.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to
I'm expecting the response from your side.
Y is equal to minus 12.
Y equal to
Minus
minus. Look here. Here, y equal to 5, y equal to 2, y equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 6. All are parallel
One
to
variable.
exact. Anybody would like to make the conclusion? First, tell your name. All are parallel to x-axis. I want conclusion.
Sir, perpendicular to
Equation.
all are passes through y-axis.
Sir, Akshay.
Sir, linear equation.
Intersects at
Sir,
y-axis.
Gaurav.
Almost it is correct, but still I am expecting like
Sir, linear equation in
Sir,
one
every linear
Sir,
equation
linear
passes through only
Parallel
one
to
The
axis.
equation I have one variable.
Very good, very good, very
Linear
Linear
good.
equation in one variable passes through
Enough.
only one axis.
Enough. Here, linear equation in one variable. The graph of linear equation in one variable, it will be
Parallel
parallel.
to x-axis.
But how will it always be parallel to x-axis?
Sir, no, sir. Y-axis also.
Sir,
Can't
it
be
will pass
parallel
through
to
only one
y-axis
axis.
also.
It will
With
intersect with
respect
only one
to
axis.
this explanation, you can conclude like this. Y equal to 5, 2, minus 3, minus 6. What are these?
K, constant.
K.
Constant.
Y equal to constant is always
Parallel to
Parallel to
X-axis.
x-axis.
Similarly, if I draw like this, look,
Sir, constant
this
is
is-
negative, sir.
X is equal to constant.
it
Y is
is
equal to
this graph is
parallel to
to
y.
so it is x equal to 2,
Minus.
x equal to 2. This is x equal to 4.
4.
X equal to 4.
4.
X equal
Minus
to
1.
constant.
Plus 1.
Minus 1. So from this, we can conclude that x equal to constant
Is
is
always parallel to y-axis.
Y-axis.
So reverse that. If y equal to constant, it is parallel to x axis.
Exact.
If x equal to constant, it is parallel to y axis.
Y-axis.
Clear? So 3 points agitalva. 3 points. Now you write 4 point.
No.
In note 4 point.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can we write if y is equal to constant means y is perpendicular to y-axis, sir? It is perpendicular to y-axis.
Exactly.
We can. We can. Right. In note 4 point. The graph of the equation y equal to mx plus c intersect the x-axis and y-axis, both x and y-axis. Next point. The graph of y equal to constant. Constant
Is parallel to x-axis
Parallel to x-axis.
and perpendicular to y-axis.
is always parallel
Parallel
to x-axis. Sixth point. The graph of x equal to constant is always parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go for few more graphs. I think 7th one now?
Yes, sir. 7th.
Right. These are all important. Draw the graph of
Sir, test is today.
the graph of y equal to 4x. Y equal to 4x. So what is the first step?
Draw the column.
Y is equal to
Calculation table.
Calculation table.
Calculation table. Draw that. Click again. Alphabet.
Sir,
Soon after joining, you should enter your name. Swapna, I think maybe mother.
yes, sir.
Yes. Draw the table. Complete the table. Chandana, Barkolama.
Finish, sir.
The table again you have to draw 3 columns. First column is for X. Second column
Y is equals to
it is wait. 4x bada. Now constant.
Brown, sir.
Overload. No, very constant in ashte tagobek. Y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. First column X. Second
0
column
point X.
Y 0 into not point. 0 into X plus 4. Then you can ask my question that, sir, you have put point.
It is
Indicates
multiplication.
multiplication, sir.
Instead of multiplication sign, we are putting dot.
5. Wait. How do you read? First one?
5.6.
5.6.
Point.
5 into 6.
5 into 6.
6th and 7th alle kaltidiralva.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
One
sir.
information ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. Samarth MV. Samarth.
Yes, sir.
Look here. ಮರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಡೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 5 into 6. If it comes in between, it is 5. If you write below 5 points, got it? They're all small things to be remembered. 0 into x plus 4. Then here x comma y. Siddhesh, x ke 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Y equal to ಬೇಗ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ 0 into 0 plus 4. 0 comma 4. Next, take 1. Y equal to 0 into 1 plus 4.
1 comma 4.
1 comma 4. It is 4. 1 comma 4. You may take minus 2. Y equal to 0 into minus 2 plus 4. Again
Minus 2 comma 4.
0. Minus 2 comma 4. And one more. It is
Minus 3.
3. Y equal to 0 into 3 plus 4. It is 4. 3 comma 4. Now let us go for drawing the graph.
Sir, PQRS.
Sir, XYZ.
Name. Let's name it.
XYZ. XYZ.
Name the points as P,
XYZ.
Q,
PQRS.
R. Yes. Draw X and Y axis. The graph plane. Draw X and Y axis. With X, O, X dash, and the vertical line is Y, O, Y dash. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, right. The numbers right side of 0 are positive. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5. Left side are negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Above 0 are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Yeah. Cycle note. Cycle statement. Note ಇದೆ. Nobody has brought up cycle. Yes. Let us mark the points. First P 0, 4. Where it comes?
Positive side of
Positive side of
Y-axis.
y-axis.
Positive side of y-axis.
0, 4. One, 4. Which quadrant?
First quadrant.
1, 4.
Or second quadrant.
Next.
Second quadrant.
Second
Second
quadrant.
quadrant. Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Yes, first quadrant.
Then 3,
First
4.
quadrant.
First quadrant, sir.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. It is P, this is Q, and R, this is yes.
Yes.
Join all the points.
Sir, we should draw that line.
Right. It is y equal to 4.
Sir, we should write scale.
Common that is. Scale. X and y axis. I am writing together. 1 centimeter equal to 1 meter.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Ask me your doubt.
Sir, if in sub question they will ask draw a perpendicular line from S point S to x-axis, it will be on particular rectangle lines.
Draw the perpendicular. No. It all depends on how you are going to take the points now. Yeah. You may take 3, or somebody may take 5 also. So that if they ask, they only give. If x equal to 7, then draw the perpendicular from the point to the x-axis. Over.
Sir, fractions will not come.
Arushi, Aniket, Sanvi, Arsh Jain, Babel, Afrin, Malika. Why do you turn off the video? Afrin.
Sir,
Afrin,
sir,
Malika.
fractions will not
Can
come,
you hear
sir,
me?
in the...
Yes, sir.
Why did you turn off the video? Idiot fellow, can you hear me? I'm asking you
Yes, sir.
only.
Yes, sir.
I want response from your side. Afrin, Malika,
Yes, sir.
you know only yes, sir. Okay. Right.
Sir, we can take fractions for x. Value of x, we can take fractions.
You can take fraction also, but we find it a bit difficult to mark them. That is why usually we'll go for integers. Yes, right. Next, another one. This is also very important. 8th one. Draw the graph of x equal to 5.
0 into y.
X equal to 5.
Sir, in first column we should take y.
Over on.
Yes, sir.
Now you draw the table. X equal to 0 to y plus 5. Very good. What is first column? X or y?
Y.
Y, sir.
Giving you substitution for y, we have to find out x. X equal to 5. How do you write this?
0 into y plus 5.
0.0 into y plus 5.
Plus 5. When y is 0, x equal to 0 into 0 plus 5 is
0.5.
Find out. Find out quickly. I'll just give you 2 minutes for finding all the 4 points. Wait. And Chetan, write it quickly.
Sir, first one 0, 5, second one 1, 5,
1
third
minute,
one
1.
-2.
I'll ask.
Sir,
Let
side,
me
sir.
ask.
Sir, side.
Comma 1,
Sir,
sir.
please move aside, sir.
Yes, sir, y axis.
Tanush,
Sir, first
right.
one 0, 5,
Tanush.
second one 1, 5,
5, 0.
third one
Don't
2,
tell,
5.
though I am not at all expecting the response from your side. I have given you time for calculation. Do that. Afterwards, I'll ask the question.
Finish.
Hope that you have completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Afrain, have you completed?
Yes, sir. Last one.
Last one. Okay. Very good, girl. Continue. Ekpote. Completed, huh? Good girl. Good girl. Yes. All of you may stop writing. Stop writing. Shreya. Chetan, stop writing. When y is 0, x is 5. I tell you, the most common mistake to be done by the students. Now, 0,
5, 0.
5, 0.
First number, next second number. Actually, it is wrong. What it should be?
5, 0.
5, y is 0. That is. Have you written? Say yeah.
Sir, 5, 0.
Okay, very good. Next one, you just cross check. I'll go for calculation. X equal to 0 into 1 plus 5. It is 5. 5, 1.
Yes.
Next, minus 2. X equal to 0 into minus 2 plus 5. It is 5.
5, minus 2.
5, minus 2. Then x equal to 0 into 3 plus 5. 5, 3. Yes, draw the graph quickly. Trupti. Yeah, draw the graph. Sarik.
Finished, sir.
Finished.
Yes, sir.
Hey, have you taken my permission? Good girl. Carry on. Earlier, those boys, they took my permission so that I allowed them to use. It's all about lockdown effect. Yes. Carry Cycle, draw that quickly. Draw the graph for second one. Okay, correct. It should be capital letter. I have already told you that. X, O, X dash, Y, O, Y dash. Avella capital letter same. Yes. Lavanya, finished up? Sinchana B. Patel, have you drawn the graph? Yes or no? Hubert Allen,
Yes,
have you
sir.
drawn the graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Renuka, what are you thinking? Have you drawn the graph? Yes, good girl. Shreyas, is always turn off video boy.
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, completed?
Writing, sir.
Writing, okay.
Finish.
Then cross check.
Sir, over, sir. Marking.
It is 5, 0. 5, 0. It lies on
Positive side of.
Positive side of x-axis.
Next, 5, 1. 5, 1. It is in
First quadrant.
That point comes here. 5, -2.
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Parallel to axis.
And 5, 3.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. 5, 3. Yes. It is P. This is Q.
Parallel to y-axis.
Yes. Let me go for joining all these points. You get the graph like this. It is x equal to 5. This is
Parallel to y-axis.
Manya Jai,
Sir.
we are discussing.
Okay.
We will be observing you, like you, even for other students also. Manya Jai, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Have you written the scale?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Have you
Yes,
written?
sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
good.
Written, sir.
Show me that. Show that. Bit close. Still. Bring it still close. Okay, good girl. Finished up? Just stop, sorry. Stop. Stop writing. In the examination, one question was given with respect to this concept only. Amok BM.
5
Amok
units.
BM.
Sir. Sir.
Board is not on your left side. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look here. Now the graph has been completed. Now just we are moving to discuss some questions which I had asked in the examination. Actually, yes. They are given this as the line L. This is L. And it is L, this is M.
Sir, we should draw this.
No. Just we are going to discuss something. LM, N.
Rectangle.
It is, yes. Question in Kedidru. Actually, it was asked for 3 marks. The question was like this. Write the equations of the lines L, M, L, S. What is the equation of the line L?
Sir, x is equals to 3.
Parallel to YX.
Parallel to y.
X is equal to 3.
X is equals to
X
3.
is equal to
X
3.
equals to 3.
X is equal to 3.
X equal to 3. M.
X is equal to 2.
Y equal
Y is equal
Y
to
equal
2.
to
Y
Y
is
is
equal
equal
to
Y equal to 2. It is parallel to X axis. Next, N.
X is equal
X
to
is equal to
minus
minus
2.
2.
equals to minus 2.
X is equal to minus.
Equal to minus.
Yes.
Y is equal to
Y
minus
is
equal to
minus 4.
4.
Y equal to minus. Do you know for how much marks?
3 marks.
2 marks.
2 marks. 2 marks.
2 marks.
2 marks.
2 marks.
2
2
marks.
marks.
Now, could you tell the geometrical figure which is formed by
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, sir.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, sir.
my question is the geometrical figure which is formed, whether it is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon,
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Now, what type of quadrilateral it is?
Rectangle.
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 Let us check it out.
Parallelogram.
If it is rectangle, length and breadth should be different.
Different.
Opposite sides are equal.
5 units.
Y, sir.
1, 2, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6, 6 units. So it is a rectangle. So what is the
30 square units.
30 square units.
Y is equal to
30.
Y into
5 into 6.
30 square.
30. 5 into 6.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Pragati, Shreya, Shreyas, Amit, Sai Gaurav, Sitesh, Daksh, Dhanush. ಇನ್ನು ಕೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Aniket, did you understand?
Sir.
Sanjana G.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? Okay. Rutushri, have you understood this concept? Okay. Now, listen. Actually, it is time up. And before going to conclude the class, just I'll give you the information regarding today's online performance test. At what time it will be conducted? 7
o'clock.
40 minutes. 7 to 7:40. And the syllabus: coordinate geometry,
Coordinating
linear
geometry and
equation,
linear equation.
Okay. Yeah. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.